There's lots of blood in the markets today. We are seeing pullbacks really everywhere. So I want to talk about the ADA price just a little bit. Now, you can see we're down anywhere from 3 to 5% pretty much everywhere across the market. Some are feeling pain a little bit more in that 8 to 10% range. But at the time of making this video, ADA right now sits around that 36-cent level, sitting at about 4.85% down for the day. Now, here's the thing. We are hitting some of the levels that I talked about us getting to. This 36-cent level is a good range of support for ADA. In fact, if we do hold this, we could get essentially a double bottom confirmation. If you remember, we had strong resistance here when we were below that. It gave strong support again in the middle of February when we came down to retest that. And it's giving us some good, strong support at this time as well. Now, here's the thing. These levels, they don't last forever. It's possible we could move up. It's possible we could move down. Now, I know that's not necessarily what you want to hear. You want to hear, me be a fortune teller and tell you which way we're going to go regardless. Here's the thing, guys. I don't know. Nobody knows. We are right now are a victim of the broader crypto market. When the market is moving down, ADA is going to move down. When the market's moving up, ADA is going to move up. Now, here's the thing to know, though. If we do end up continuing to go down, right now there's some strong bearish resistance at 25K. That's where a lot of the big players are stepping in and shorting the market and really saying, yeah, try to move past this level. And we just simply can't do it yet. The broader macro factors aren't quite there to push us above that level yet. Will they come soon? I really hope so. I still think we can cross 25K for BTC this year. It's just going to be a matter of when that happens, right? But even still, even though we're not crossing that right now, we're getting some great opportunities. If this 36-cent level doesn't hold for Cardano, for ADA, we may come back down to 32 cents. Now, that may not be what you want to hear, but 32 cents is an incredibly strong level of support for ADA. We can see it down around in here. If we go back to December, you can see 32 cent holding right about in here as well, 31, 32 cents. Now, we can just kind of ignore this big drop here. I don't even remember what happened during that time, but we had a lot of people, harvesting tax losses and all those sorts of things really to close out the year. December usually ends pretty poorly anyways. So realistically, this 32-cent level is basically our floor. That's where the crypto market, should have stopped in general. We shouldn't have had this big last final pullback. And that's also the reason why we got such, insane candles as we started this year. This is a little bit non-representative of what actually happened. Sometimes these charts get a little wonky. You get these huge wicks in here. But if we get this confirmation and we continue to move to the upside, we're going to retest this 40 to 42 cent level again. That's just simply what's coming. That's what's next in regard. I'm hoping that this doesn't turn into a head and shoulders. If it does that, then we're definitely going to go down and see that 32 cent level. Basically, if we come back up and we do this again, then we're going down to here. All right. Instead, I want to see this, basically boom, 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 boom. Hopefully my drawing was good enough for you guys. But that's what's going on right now. Broader crypto market, not happy moving into this weekend. Hopefully what we don't get is what we saw last weekend. Bitcoin was running good and we tested that 25K level a bunch of times. We talked about it a bunch here on the channel. And really the shorts just stepped in and they said, no, we're going down. So I'm hoping that this weekend, this Sunday, if we do get some bullish momentum again, I'm hoping that we don't have more shorts step in and shut us down. I don't think the shorts have covered their position yet. So that's why there's still like this downward pressure that we're feeling. They're not, rebuying back in and sending things up. But by the time that you guys are watching this video, we may be moving back to the upside anyways. I see BTC is kind of turning around a little bit. It crossed 23K again, and we'll see if that ends up holding. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely show your support if you haven't. Great things coming for ADA in the future. I just continue to add my bag. I'm not selling anything at this time. Just continue to DCA, and that's what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your Saturday, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.